Hello everyone and welcome back to Flicks. Congratulations on completing the basic levels of MS Word. Today we are entering the intermediate level and our first topic is tables in MS Word. To give you a glimpse, tables are very useful for organizing information neatly, especially for mark sheets, records, lists and reports. Let's learn how to insert and use table easily straight away. A table is used to arrange data in the form of rows, which is horizontal, and columns, which are vertical. Tables make information easy to read, well organized, and professional looking. Now, let's see how to insert a table. To insert a table, you need to click on the Insert tab, which I am already on. This is the Insert tab, this is the ribbon, and we can click on Table. Now, let's see how to insert a table. To insert a table, you need to click on the Insert tab, which is this. Then click on the table. You can use the grid to input the number of rows and columns you want in your table. I'm planning to do it 3 by 3, that is 3 rows and 3 columns in a table. Once I click it, it will look like this. But there is another way through which you can do it, like go into tables, then insert a table option. In this, you can choose the number of rows and columns you want. In this as well, I will write 3 rows and 3 columns for me. 3, 3. Now let's enter data inside the table. You can click inside the cell and then you can start editing it. When you press tab on your keyboard, it will move to the next cell horizontally, and if you press enter, it will move vertically. I'll fill the details as for example, name, subject, and marks of the students. For example, for it's Ram and Geeta. Subject would be maths for both. And out of 100, they have got 80 and 75. Now the table is ready. We can now format it. When I click inside the table, you can see that there are 2 new options available here now with the name Table Design and Table Layouts. These are the new tabs that have opened to edit the table we have created. Now let's apply the different table styles that are available here so that we can make our data look more pretty and more visible. For that, I'll select the table altogether with this option, and then by hovering over these table styles, I can see that I am formatting it in a different way altogether. For now, I want to choose this one. See, it has divided my headings and see, it has transformed my data in a different manner. Let's explore the other option as well. If I choose this last column option here, it will bold my last column as well. If I choose a total rows, then it will keep editing the table each time I select a new option. There are others as well, like shading options. I can choose the color of the table, the border styles. It can be any. For example, I have kept it like this. Now you can see it's looking different. Similarly, you can change the border and the border length and the design as per your need, and the pen color as well. The table layout tab has a lot of options here. We can draw a new table, delete the rows or the table we have created. We can insert new rows onto this table in whichever side we want to. And there are other options like merge, split, which we will discover later in the later videos. So now I'll end this video today. So today we learned what a table is, how to insert a table, thirdly, how to enter data and apply basic formatting. In the next video, we will learn the table tools, that is how to merge cells, split cells, and align content inside table. By then, keep practicing and keep learning with IHM Flicks.